Alright, let's see if I can pick it up in 5th gear, bro. First ride, vibes. Yo, what is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today we're doing the first ride with my Crf150rb. This is gonna be flipping sick, bro. I'm so excited, bro. I haven't even got to ride this bike yet, so this is gonna be my first time really ripping this thing. We got trails, we got streets, you know, we're gonna pull some wheel skis, we're gonna vibe out. She sounds so good, bro. Oh my lord, bro, this thing is so fun. It's literally a mini 450. Watch this, guys. Did y'all just see it? Like, you can literally go crazy with this bike. Alright, let's see if I can pick it up in 5th gear, bro. First ride vibes. Bro, this thing picks up 5th gear so easy. Oh my, bro, I can't wait to get this thing all dialed in and start hitting crazy combos. Y'all might remember this area. This is where all the drama happened, literally right here. But luckily no one's out here today, so alright, let's see how this handles in the whoop section. Oh my gosh, bro, this thing rips. It feels a little small. I'm used to these damn full-size dirt bikes. Also, I cleaned the plastics. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I made them super clean so they look a lot better. Hop on the sandy trail. Oh boy. Oh my, bro, this thing. Dude, this thing handles crazy, bro. I'm like sliding around, but like in control. Bro, this thing has so much power. Holy crap, bro. And it's so small, so it's like, it's good, easy to control, but it has so much power, it makes it a little bit harder, but like enough where you're able to control it still, if that makes any sense. What's up? I thought you were waving at me to come over here.
Oh no, I didn't know if you wanted to come through.
Oh no, I was just riding over there. Hey doggy.
See any pigs around?
Nah, not over here. I don't think I've ever seen any pigs over here yet. No. Maybe I'm always on my bike, so I'll probably scare them, you know.
Yeah, you probably run them over.
Yeah, is that where you're hunting? Some pigs or?
Nah, we're just doing some training.
I seen a bobcat and coyotes and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
You seen a bobcat?
Yeah, only once though, and it was like, I was like coming around the corner and it was just running across, and I was like, oh my god, and then.
Cool to see it though.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Oh,
yeah, I've always wanted to see one.
Yep. There's plenty of them around.
Yeah, but hey, you guys have a good day.
Yeah, you too, man.
Homie's over there hunting, just vibing. That dog looked like he was ready to get out of that cage and find some freaking meat. Dude, this thing is such a blast. Holy crap. I don't think, bro, I think I'm having more fun on this than on my YZ125. I'm gonna be real with you guys right now. Like, this bike, for wheelies, for off-roading, it feels a little small for me, I ain't gonna lie. When I'm like going over whoops and stuff, I can barely like pinch the bike because like my knees are above the seat. But for like wheelies, like, bro, look at it. Would you just look at it? just look at it, man. Let's go up this. We're vibing. Bro, let's see what the bike sounds like in here. Bro, it sounds exactly like a 450. It's crazy. Ah! Let's go! Yes, sir! Y'all know me, bro. I grew up on the streets. Bro, are you kidding me right now? This thing is literally a freaking... Bro, this is a wheelie... Bro, this is a cheat code bike. One of the homies told me, he's like, bro, you got a cheat code bike. And I totally understand him now. Like, this thing is such... This is so easy, bro. Alright, we're gonna hit some trails. Whoa! Holy crap. Bro, it's definitely a little squirrely on the sand. It's just... Oh, I mean, it rips though. It's just so lightweight, like it's bouncing around everywhere. Bro, I'm trying to freaking record an outro here. What are you doing? Alright, this is the end of the first ride of my Crf150. To conclude this whole video of this first ride, I'm in love, bro. I feel like I like this bike a little bit more than my YZ125. Just because it feels a little safer, it's a little smaller, less sketchy. Don't get me wrong, the YZ125 is literally right there next to this, but this is just such a fun, like, toy mess around wheelie bike. It's hard to explain. Like, on the trails, I don't like it too much. I feel like I'm too big for this on the trails. For like wheelies and stuff, it feels okay. For combos, I still got to get used to it. But overall, I love this bike so far. It's amazing. It's running good. So yeah. One last look at her. As you can see, she looks freaking beautiful. And yeah. Stay motivated, gang. I freaking love you. We have merch in the description down below. We're posting bangers. Thank you so much for the support. Without you guys, stuff like this would never happen. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Love you, gang. Peace.